This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegetable soup, BharatzKitchen style. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need a variety of vegetables such as carrots, beans, cabbage, and corn. Make sure to finely chop 1 medium onion, about 2 inches of ginger, and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Also, have 1 green chili and a small bunch of fresh coriander ready for later. Next, we'll build the flavor base for our soup. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil or butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter for a few seconds. Then, add your finely chopped ginger, garlic, and onion. Sauté these aromatics until the onion turns translucent, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the main ingredients. Introduce your chopped vegetables like carrots, beans, and cabbage to the pot and sauté them for about 5 minutes. Then, pour in 4 to 6 cups of vegetable stock or water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar for balance. To achieve the perfect consistency, let the soup simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the vegetables to become tender. For thickening, combine 2 tablespoons of corn flour with 1/4 cup of water to form a smooth slurry. Gradually stir this slurry into the simmering soup and cook for another 2 minutes until it thickens. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander and serve your delicious, homemade vegetable soup hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.